Morning! I slept pretty well in the rest area actually. I didn't feel unsafe or anything, so ended up being good. Well, I gotta hurry up and get a move on, get these totes down, and I always like to record the Jeep and parts that it's going to be getting fixed before and after when I get anything done, any service or anything like that. All right, well I made it with half an hour to spare. My appointment's at 8, at 7:30 right now. I'm here at, what's that, Findlay Auto in Wilsonville. All right, so first problem, main problem while I'm bringing it in. So the passenger back window will not roll down. Let's try the master control first. Nothing. All right, let's press this one just so we can compare and test. Oh, you see that one? It's rolling down, rolling up just fine. The other three are working, but this one is not. Let's go and test this door. All right, let's test this. Still nothing. We're gonna get an oil change as well. So let's go ahead and pop the hood. Da-da-da-da. No leakage, nothing weird going on there. And then lastly, I told them that my transmission is making noises. I think that's the transmission drip pan right there. Holy crap. So $135 just for them to diagnose what's going on with the power windows. And then another $135 just to diagnose what's going on with the transmission sound. I told them, hey, you know, it's shifting fine. Don't even worry about the transmission sound. That's kind of what you expect at a dealership. But so I'm gonna grab my stuff out of my Jeep and go and wait in the waiting room. So I'm just gonna make myself at home here, I guess. Got a little couch here and outlet back there. Well, the time is now 8:30. Had my Jeep scheduled for an 8 o'clock appointment, and still she sits. Okay, so the service guy was kind enough to let me come over here in the shop and actually take a look at what's going on before we get it fixed. So let me show you guys. I'm up to the Jeep here. All right, so we got my door taken apart here. Basically what's happening is they found a couple of tears and frayed wires. So I opted to not get the work done here. That's a little too expensive. They did get the window down, and now he's gonna show me with this power probe how they're getting it back up. All right, so this is my bill. $188 for an oil change. Found out it was gonna be $400 just to solder a couple wires. That was ridiculous, so no way that I'm gonna do that. For that, I'll figure it out and fix it myself. But my plan right now, I'm gonna head into Mount Hood, pretty much straight east from where I am right now, and then I'll head south tomorrow after Mount Hood. I'll go to Bend, and then I'll arrive at Crater Lake on Thursday. Made it out to Mount Hood National Forest. One of the recommendations that I got was Ramona Falls. It's about 3.5 miles to get to the falls. So about a 7-mile round trip. It's about 3:12 right now. So it'll be pretty late once I get back. It's a very, very blue and beautiful day. You can see Mount Hood so clearly when you're not tucked in behind these trees. We'll see how it goes. All right, well, we've made it to the river crossing. I don't think I'm gonna have to actually step in water at all. I can skip across these logs and rocks pretty easily. Oh, and look at that. What a beautiful freaking day to view such an amazing mountain. Mount Hood, I had no idea. Ho ho ho! I made it to the falls. Way easier of a hike than I thought it would be. And faster. Check this out. Well, I've been sitting here soaking it all in for, God, about an hour and a half or so. I did a sketch of the waterfall. So many different shapes and patterns and little squigglies and flibbly blobs. That was hard to sketch. God, just a really pretty falls. I think I'm gonna start hiking back. It's getting close to supper time and I am getting hungry. Well, I think this is gonna be my campsite for the night. Staying in the parking lot of that trailhead of Ramona Falls. The Jeep, putting my storage totes up, and get a load of this Mount Hood. Oh man, that sunset though. Kind of a late start. I'm eating chili in the almost dark in my Jeep and watching Jurassic Park. Dang right.